Hey everybody, welcome to MUS 2023 Music and Gender. I'm Reeve Schulstad and I'm the professor for this course, and I'm looking forward to working with you this summer. I thought I would put this video up to help you get a little acclimated to the course site, to know what the expectations are, and to start to get to know each other just a little bit. So the first thing you're going to notice when you're looking at the course site is that you'll see the course syllabus here. And I want you to go ahead and have a look at that, look through it, look at all the expectations. There are rubrics there for my expectations for everything, and the percentages for grades. So lots of information in there that you need to go ahead and have a look at. If you have any questions as you start looking through the course, I would ask you to use this forum here that's at the top. That way, when you ask a question, it might be something that could help somebody else, and we'll have a nice place to keep all those sort of frequently asked questions. You'll see some other links that might be useful as you go through the class, so please use those as you need them. First thing you're going to want to do is go to the Getting Started module, and you'll see that I've got another copy of the syllabus, and the first assignment that you're going to do, that's your social identity in music. You're going to have several things to click on in this example, so make sure you read through everything, and you can click on the social identity wheel here, and then you're going to make a short video using Flipgrid, and you'll click on Flipgrid right here. It should be self-explanatory. I'll have some other resources that will help you out if you have any trouble with Flipgrid. Then you'll see the modules, the topics that we have for the rest of the semester. So we'll have sort of an introductory module that's on deep listening and intersectionality, which will help us blend those ideas of music and gender, help us learn some language for talking about music and language for talking about intersectionality. And there are several things that you're going to do, several assignments in that, and you'll see that in the learning outcomes and agenda. So make sure that you have a look at that, and that'll help guide you through the rest of the module. Then you'll see that you'll see the list of the assignments here. There's a quiz on musical elements, then an assignment to respond to the reading, and some other forums and assignments. And that's all listed in each one of these modules. The due dates are listed in most of the assignments, but you can also look at the calendar to know when things are due. So all of the forums, assignments, any other quizzes, and the paper process is already embedded into this calendar. You can also have a look at the upcoming events, which will give you a quick way to see when things are due. So you can see we're going to go through these topics on women in the blues, rock and roll masculinities, riot girls, Appalachian music, and Afrosonic feminist funk. So there'll be assignments that you do connected with those. You also are required to do 2 concert critiques for this class. The first one is on Rhiannon Giddens, and I've given you 2 options. One, if you aren't up here, you can watch this video that's a performance of her and her group. Or if you're in Boone and you want to go see her live, she's going to be with Appalachian Summer Festival on July the 26th. So you could do a critique of that concert if you'd like. And then the second concert critique that you do is your choice. You just need to let me know what concert you're going to go to, just to make sure that that'll fit with what the course requirements are. You're also going to write a paper for this class. And I've got the description for the position paper and what things are due when. You'll have a topic proposal due that'll come up later on in the month, a bibliography. You'll have a rough draft due, and we'll do some peer reviews, and then the final paper. So all of that information is bedded into the calendar of what the due dates are. And what's cool about that is you can choose, just about any topic that you want, as long as you can find some resources on it, and it does have to do with our topic of dealing with music and gender. So I'll look forward to digging into that with you guys as the semester rolls on. So for now, I think I'm going to leave it here and let you guys get started in the course. And please let me know if you have any questions. See you later.